At 8:29, 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on the 14th of August 2021, a magnitude 7.2 earthquake struck the Tiburon Peninsula in the Caribbean nation of Haiti on the island of Hispaniola. The earthquake struck with a 10-kilometer deep hypocenter near Petit-Trou-de-Nips, approximately 150 kilometers west of the capital, Port-au-Prince. The strong earthquake spawned tsunami warnings for the Haitian coast, which were lifted shortly after. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates high casualties and widespread disaster, with the number of casualties currently estimated at 304. This is currently the deadliest earthquake of 2021, and the deadliest such event worldwide. The earthquake occurred as the result of oblique reverse motion along the Enriquez Plantain Garden Fault Zone, 125 kilometers west of the Haitian capital Port-au-Prince. The earthquake occurred at shallow depths on either a reverse fault striking west and dipping to the north with a component of left lateral slip, or a fault striking southeast and dipping to the southwest with a component of right lateral slip. At the location of the earthquake, the local plate boundary is dominated by left lateral strike-slip motion and compression. The plate boundary in this location accommodates eastward, left lateral motion of the Caribbean plate relative to the North America plate. As such, the earthquake likely occurred on the east-west striking, north-dipping fault plane with a component of left lateral slip. The location and focal mechanism solutions of the earthquake are consistent with the event, resulting from primarily reverse faulting with a component of left lateral strike-slip faulting on the Enriquez Plantain Garden Fault Zone. Overall, the EPGFZ accommodates about 7 mm per year of motion, nearly half the total oblique convergence between the Caribbean and North America plates. Haiti occupies the western part of the island of Hispaniola, one of the Greater Antilles Islands, situated between Puerto Rico and Cuba. At the location earthquake, motion between the Caribbean and North America plates is partitioned between two major east-west trending strike-slip fault systems, the septentrional fault system in northern Haiti and the EPGFZ in southern Haiti. According to the United States Geological Survey, the earthquake occurred as a result of oblique reverse faulting on the Enriquez Plantain Garden Fault Zone. The fault is a transform plate boundary that separates the Caribbean plate from the Gonave microplate. The intensity of the earthquake reached mmix in Les Cayes and mmIV in Port-au-Prince, the capital of Haiti. The earthquake was also strongly felt in Jamaica, where the intensity reached mmIV in Kingston. Tsunami warnings were issued for the country, which were cancelled later that day. Multiple aftershocks have been recorded following the man shock, the strongest being MW 5.8 in magnitude and centered approximately 65 kilometers further west on the Tiburon Peninsula. Haitian Prime Minister Ariel Henry declared a state of emergency due to the massive number of casualties and the severe damage. At least 304 people were killed as a result of the earthquake. The Hotel Le Manguier in Les Cayes collapsed in the earthquake, killing several people, including Gabriel Fortune, the former senator and former mayor of Les Cayes. In addition to the deaths, at least 1,800 people have been injured in the quake.